Los Angeles County DA Nathan Hochman with me right now. The Menendez brothers they are resentenced 50 years to life. Is this disappointing? Is it shocking? Did you expect it?
Well, you know what? Our job was to get all the facts in front of the judge. We did that. Our job is to make sure the judge had the accurate law. We did that as well. We said the Menendezes were not right for resentencing. They still aren't. But the judge ruled as the judge will, and now sends it to the parole board. And ultimately to the governor. The Menendez brothers have raised their risk rating up to a moderate level based on their recent deceit in prison. So whether or not they get there to get out on parole and whether or not the governor will ultimately agree with that remains to be seen.
What about all the family members that were in court? And then there was just a press conference held with all the family outside of court. A lot of emotion there. Do you think that was helpful in moving the judge?
I think any time that you're confronted by a whole variety and over 20 different family members that are willing to effectively forgive the murderers of their brother and their sister or their cousins or their aunts and their uncle, I mean that will have an impact with the judge. As a legal matter, it weighs very little. But does it have a human aspect to it as they sit in this court and he sees them, in these various hearings? I'm sure it did.
Did you have any words with defense attorney Geragos, Mark Geragos, afterwards? He was crowing a little bit. I'm not going to lie. Maybe you didn't see it when he left, but some guy was chirping in the crowd, and he said, "Oh, that's Nathan Hochman's spokesman or something," and he was joyful.
Mr. Geragos wanted voluntary manslaughter. He wanted the Menendezes to get out today. He lost that argument. The facts, in order to get to that argument, he had to torture the facts, and the judge wouldn't go there. So the judge gave them 50 years to life, setting them on the course to deal with the parole board and the governor, but wouldn't bend to where Mr. Geragos was trying to take it. Mr. Geragos can be a capable lawyer. It's a shame when he wants to engage in personal attacks against other lawyers because he somehow thinks that helps his client's interests. It actually doesn't. It demeans him. It demeans his arguments. And it sort of takes away from the focus, which should be on the facts and the law of any case.